Hello, this is the Morning Garden. Just left Walmart when it got me some. There we go. Just left Walmart. Got me some cat food for my cat. And, well, litter and cat food. Comes in this end, goes out that end. But look, I saw these in there. I promised myself. I have shelves and shelves of this stuff. This is at Walmart. They're doing some clearances on some of their fertilizers. I paid, how many bags of these? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All these bags, let me drop the price on you, were about a little over $8. And when these were sold originally, these were like $7 to $8 a bag, per bag. But they had them clearanced. And this is tomato and vegetable feed right here, organics. So I got them, folks. I went in and cleaned the shelf out on these. Because I told you, once that hit gets on, and everybody start buying up the seeds and the fertilizers, due to the situation we're in, this is going to be black gold. So I got these for, like I said, I think they were, like I said, a little over $8. I got them. And I have tons of this stuff at home now. Tons of this stuff at home. I don't need to where I'm going to put all this stuff at. But you need it because you run a garden like I do, and you grow a lot, and you want to do it easy sometimes, so you might pick this way to feed your plants sometimes.